Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today we're going to be trying out the As Seen on TV Dermasuction Pore Cleaning Device. So if you want to see this, just keep on watching. I saw this item at the store. I purchased this Dermasuction at Walgreens and it does retail for $19.99 and it's an As Seen on TV item. So I read that it cleans your pores and it cleans your blackheads by vacuuming your face. So I was really intrigued about this item, so I'm like, you know what, let me purchase it, let me try it out and see if it actually cleans my pores. I don't know, I'm very fascinated about cleaning pores. Like, I love seeing videos where they pop pimples or like cysts, blackheads. I just love watching that kind of stuff. So I thought this was going to be really interesting, especially because I really have huge pores and a lot of blackheads. So I was like, you know what, let me give it a try and see if it actually removes my blackheads and if it actually like cleans my pores. So we're going to give this a try and hopefully it does work. Dermasuction looks like this. It has the vacuum. It has 3 heads. It actually has 4 heads. It has the one that attached already to it, which is the small head, and then we have the large head, we have the oval head, and the sonic head. So each head has its own property of what they're supposed to do. The small head is the gentle suction, perfect for everyday use. The large head is a strong suction, perfect for blackheads. And it has the oval head, which is the oval opening for getting into corners of nose and mouth. And then it has the sonic head, which it helps exfoliate while pulling dirt and oil from the skin. So it comes like this. The product doesn't come with batteries, so you do have to put 2 AA batteries into the vacuuming thing, and it looks like this. And this I believe is the oval head. Yeah, it looks like this, and it comes like this, and then you open it up and you put batteries. So I put batteries already, 2 AA, and I also went ahead and cleaned each of the plastic things because you really want to be sterile as possible, because you don't want to get more, especially because you're going to go into your face with this. You want to make sure you clean it with rubbing alcohol to make sure if there's any bacteria that they get killed, just because you don't want to put more bacteria into your face. So we're going to give this a try and see if it actually cleans my pores. And then you're turning it on and it makes that kind of sound. It literally sounds like a vacuum. So I'm pretty excited. And then to change the head, I believe you go like this, you twist. Yeah, you twist the cap and it removes, and then you just insert it back in. So I think I'm going to go in with, we have the oval head for nose and mouth, and then exfoliates while pulling dirt and oil from skin. So, oh, this one has like a little, the sonic head, it has like a little exfoliating. So this actually like helps you to exfoliate your skin. So we're going to give this a try and see how it works. And it does retail for $19.99, which with tax and everything was like about $22. And I did bought this at Walgreens. They do have a Seen on TV section. But yeah, let's see if it removes my dirt. It removes everything from my skin. And I really love seeing those kinds of YouTube videos where they extract blackheads and cysts and all of that. I'm just fascinated. So I'm going to try to zoom you in as much as possible so you guys can see the action. Hopefully this thing actually works, because if it does, girl, I found myself my new cleaning item. And I already rinsed my face. I cleaned it. I don't have any moisturizer or anything. I just have a bare face. So let's see. Let's try this item. I'm gonna go in my nose first. Oh God, it pulls. I don't know if you guys can see, but it pulls your skin. Like, it does have a really strong suction power. So you can see like it's pulling. Let me see. You can see like it pulls. The only thing I'm afraid of this item is that it's actually going to cause my face to become really red and swollen. And I just pull a little bit here and it's already like trying to get red. So that's my only worry. But thank God I don't have to go anywhere today. So if my face does get red, I don't have to go outside. So we're gonna try this. Oh, and then I'm using the oval, which is supposed to be like for your nose and around the mouth area. So I'm gonna go like this. Okay, so I've been going a couple times in the same area, and I do recommend not to go to the to the same area a couple of times because it's causing me like to have a little bruise here. So yeah, it's causing me to have a little thing here. So just go once into that area. And it pulls, oh, it hurts. Ooh. Okay, so I finished doing my nose, and let me try to zoom you guys in. You can see like my nose is red, and like I have like little spots where I went over it a couple of times, and it caused me to have like a little red spot. So I do recommend this, to use this only like once in the same area, because otherwise it will create like little red bruises. And let me zoom this in. I don't know if you guys could see the little white debris inside the little vacuum. So that's supposed to be like my blackheads. So apparently it is sucking some stuff. So apparently this thing is actually working. So now I'm gonna switch heads, and let me read here what it says. I'm gonna go in with a large head, which is this one. It has like a larger hole. So I'm gonna go in with that. I'm gonna switch it in, and I do see like inside the machine, once you remove the cap, there's still blackheads here. So you wanna clean that off, and then we're gonna go in with the new head. And for this one, I'm gonna do my whole face. And the machine itself, it does feel a little bit cheap. You know, you could definitely tell like the material is cheap kind. You know, for 20 bucks, what can you expect? You know, for 20 bucks. So we're gonna go in here. And honestly, my nose hurts, so we're gonna try this here. And I do have a lot of acne right now going on. Ugh. I've been trying to clear my acne for a long time. Sometimes my acne goes away and I have perfect skin, and then sometimes it comes back, and it's just a constant battle. But I think with the heat, I'm just breaking out more. So yeah, so I'm gonna go over those pimples and see if it actually sucks something out. Oh God, it's pulling. It hurts. Look, can you guys see how's my cheek looks? Oh, I swear this thing's gonna give me like a hickey or something. Can you guys saw that? It does not look pretty. Honestly, do not have it for a long time in a certain area. Otherwise, it's just gonna look like this. I don't know what I'm feeling about this. So I'm just gonna go over it like a little. Oh God. Can you guys see how it looks? It is painful. You know, the closer you get to this area, it feels a lot of pain. Like, I don't like how this thing looks. That's my fault for keeping it there for a couple of minutes, for a couple of seconds, and that's. Ugh. Okay, I don't know if you're supposed to drag it or suck or just get it like this, because it doesn't have any instructions. It literally feels like I'm cupping my face. But definitely do not drag, because otherwise you're gonna bend. That does not look pretty. That does not look pretty. So I think you just have to go like this. And honestly, with the big head, I don't feel like it's sucking anything in. Like, it's clean. So I'm gonna switch that. I really like the oval head for the nose. That one definitely cleaned. I'm gonna try this one, which is like a smaller head. I think this is the small head. And supposedly you can use the machine for everyday use for a gentle sucking. But honestly, I don't think you can use this for everyday. Look at that. That doesn't look pretty at all. Okay, this one's gentle. Okay, So with the second head, honestly, the only head that I found that actually helped was the oval head. The large head, that was painful and it didn't like suck anything out. And this one too, the small head, I didn't feel like it sucked anything out because it doesn't specify how to use it. It just says to suck everything out. But that doesn't look pretty at all. So I'm gonna be trying this exfoliator head now and see if that one picks something better because the other ones didn't. Okay, so I finished using all of the different types of heads that this thing has. And honestly, do I recommend this product? No, I do not recommend this product. I think it's very awful. Like for $20, I created some hideous like bruises on my face. And si por si ya no estaba tan bien, now with this, it's just, it doesn't look pretty. Especially this thing does not look pretty. Hopefully by tomorrow it goes down. It swells down because honestly that's not beautiful. And I didn't find like any of the heads work. Only the one with the oval for the nose. I think that one did pick up the most blackheads. But I do have a lot of blackheads, so I know like the other three heads didn't work. But this one definitely didn't work. I think for like an everyday, like not for an everyday, but you know, once in a while to clean your nose, I think this will be perfect. But to do it to all over your face, no. I wouldn't recommend this product because honestly, it's really painful. Like it tugs to your skin and just pulls everything out. But you see that there's like it's clean, like it didn't work. But definitely, I don't think this product is worth it. I think you could try other things. Use Pore strips or you know like a charcoal mask to remove those blackheads, and they will not cost you definitely this what it costs. You know, probably it was my fault the way I used the machine. I was dragging it all the way down. But yet, you know, even if I drag it all the way down, it's supposed to clean all your pores. So, you know, that's how I'm supposed to do it, I think. You know, I'm supposed to go in little by little. If that did work for you, let me know in the comments below because I honestly think that this thing didn't work for me. It was an epic fail. Like, honestly, that doesn't look pretty. Save your money. I don't think this product cleans your pores as well as it will with the Pore strip. So, yeah. So with that, I conclude this video. I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoy seeing my face being vacuumed up with this little vacuum. And if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, do so. Subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you on my next video. And hopefully, by then, this thing has gone down because I'm pretty disappointed because this thing literally looks like a damn hickey on my face. So don't try it anywhere else. You know, just try it on your face. If you do try this product, only on your face. Don't try it anywhere else. But, you know, so yeah. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.